Okay guys, so we are right here and the motor is working. I'm getting into the dam, as you can see, and that's honestly not that bad. It's just small boat, but look at this. We're gonna see how long this battery is gonna last. It's a small battery, and we'll see how it goes. So right now it's on 2. I'm gonna increase the speed and see. And here we go. Now we are on 5. Yeah, that's max, but it's gonna take some time to get faster. Oh, guys, check this out. That's not bad.
Hello Mini. अभी तो हमने पानी में डाली है.
Honestly, that's not bad speed. So
अभी लगाते हैं ना, अभी तो शुरू करने लगे.
I'm gonna reduce the speed so we can have a longer battery life.